word we'll be learning in this section is migoto, which you will often hear in contexts such as praising someone's performance, describing an accomplished feat, or admiring a breathtaking view. The word migoto means remarkable, splendid, and admirable. It is often used to describe something that is done with great skill or has achieved perfection. The first kanji means see or look, and it points to perceiving something with the eyes. For example, miru is the basic verb to see, and kenbutsu refers to viewing or sightseeing, where the idea of seeing is central. The second kanji means thing or matter, and it marks events or tasks as units of concern. For example, shigoto is work or a task, and jiken is an incident or case, where the idea of a specific matter is important. He did a splendid job. 彼は見事な仕事をした。彼は見事な仕事をした。His play was an impressive match. 彼のプレーは見事な勝負だった。彼のプレーは見事な勝負だった。The test was completed magnificently. テストは見事にできた。テストは見事にできた。He has an impressive skill. 彼は見事なスキルを持っている。彼は見事なスキルを持っている。The most common synonyms of the word 見事 are 素晴らしい and 見事な成果。素晴らしい generally means wonderful or excellent and can be used in a broader sense, while 見事な成果 specifically refers to impressive results or achievements. The most common antonyms of the word 見事 are ダメ. ダメ means no good or not successful, contrasting with 見事, which is all about success and excellence.